Samariá Gorge. I think I'm first on the trail.
In the late spring of 2018, I flew from Amman, Jordan, to the beautiful island of Crete. Crete is known for its beautiful beaches, ancient and modern history, wonderful people, great food, and one of the most epic hikes in Europe, the Samariá Gorge. The gorge is 16 kilometers long, drops 1,250 meters from the mountains to the beach, and this is the story of my hike.
Samariá Gorge. I think I'm first on the trail. So I'm going to keep up a decent pace. Beautiful, all downhill, 9 miles or 16 kilometers, whatever that is, to a beautiful swim in the Libyan Sea. This is the longest gorge in Europe, they say. This part's a little easier than up above, where it was a lot steeper, a lot rockier. And these echoes I'm wearing, no tread, so I slipped a little bit, but of course I've kept my balance. Beautiful trail. Back on the trail. I thought we're at the 8-kilometer point, which is halfway, but somebody told me no, we're not halfway yet. Anyway, we're at the Samarian village, ancient village. I just stopped there, and there's no way that I'm first anymore. I've been passed by a lot of these young people that cruise along no problem. I think the worst part of the hike's over, I heard. I mean, stress-wise, I think it's going to be more flat, less rocky, still very beautiful in this canyon. Samarian village is huge. It's still going on. And I'm quite a ways away from where I filmed last. This gentleman was telling me from the Byzantine era it started, or maybe even earlier, Minoan times. I think there's always been a little settlement here because it's safe. Walking over those rocks, the big boulders and stuff, and the bigger rocks make my feet feel like lead, which they kind of do right now. But I'm over halfway. I think I'm 4 kilometers from the Libyan Sea. almost 12 kilometers, they said. The village is in another 4. There, we'll have a beer and a swing. Very hot. It's not too bad here, but they're saying the last few kilometers of this hike is on an easy paved road, but out exposed to the sun. So that could be hot.
Spending a few hours in Agia Roumeli, we took the ferry to Agia. Close by Agia is the cave of Prometheus. According to Homer's Odyssey, Prometheus, the Cyclops, captured Ulysses and his men and proceeded to eat them 2 at a time. Ulysses got Prometheus drunk on wine, then heated up a wooden spear, and him and his men poked the Cyclops in the eye and managed to escape.